BJP Yuva Morcha chief Tejasvi Surya's controversial speech in Hyderabad ahead of the municipal polls. That's the big breaking news coming in. He's called OAC a Jinnah avatar. Says vote for OAC is like voting against India. He also says KCR wants to make Hyderabad Istanbul. That's a big breaking news coming in at the moment. BJP Yuva Morcha chief Tejasvi Surya's controversial speech in Hyderabad coming in ahead of the municipal polls. He's calling OAC an avatar of Jinnah, saying that OAC is voting for OAC, is voting for vote against India, also saying that KCR wants to make Hyderabad Istanbul. We're getting that reaction that is coming in from OAC, and also we're getting a bite from Tejasvi Surya on this. Let's listen to what he said.
If you vote for OIC here, OIC becomes strong in Maharashtra. If you vote for OIC here, OIC becomes strong in Bihar. If you vote for OIC here, OIC becomes strong in a Muslim locality in Karnataka. If you support OIC here, OIC will become strong in Uttar Pradesh. And what does OIC mean? Who is OIC? OIC is Muhammad Ali Jinnah's new avatar. We must defeat him.
Speaking at a rally, OAC hit out at the BJP, saying that they only want to communalize the polls and create riots.
अरे भाई रोहिंग्या अगर हैदराबाद में है तो फिर अमित शाह क्या कर रहे, होम मिनिस्ट्री क्या कर रही, इंटेलिजेंस ब्यूरो क्या कर रहा, निकालो उनको, हम क्या रोक रहे हैं उनको, हमारे को क्या करना है? नहीं अच्छा वोटर लिस्ट में तो बताओ, वोटर लिस्ट चलो निकालो, एक 100 नाम दिखाओ हमारे को इलेक्शन होने तक। मैं चैलेंज कर रहा हूं, 100 नाम दिखाओ तुम, चलो वो भी नहीं दिखाते। अच्छा वोटर लिस्ट मैं दारुसलाम में बैठ के बनाता हूं, अब बोलो, दिमाग देखो प्यारों का, क्यों ट्यूबलाइट भी बोलना बेकार है लोगों को, थम्स अप भी नहीं बोल सकते उनको। वोटर लिस्ट मैं बनाता हूं, वोटर लिस्ट आप बनाते हो, वोटर लिस्ट इलेक्शन कमीशन ऑफ इंडिया बनाता है, वोटर लिस्ट स्टेट इलेक्शन कमीशन बना, नहीं 40,000, अरे निकालो ना, 1,000 नाम तो दिखाओ। मगर मकसद क्या है कि यहां पर हिंदुओं और मुसलमानों में नफरत पैदा हो जाना।
Ashish is now joining us live. Ashish, this entire fight has been going on right ahead of the elections, the municipal elections in Hyderabad, and now BJP's Yuva Morcha chief Tejasvi has made a rather controversial speech in Hyderabad. How does OAC react to this? How does KCR react to Tejasvi saying that KCR wants to make Hyderabad Istanbul?
So far, we have not heard anything from MIM and TRS, which is in power in Telangana. Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao later in today, he launched party manifesto, and there we are expecting that he'll reply on all these allegations and all these attacks by Bangalore MP and Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha National President Tejasvi Surya. Remember, Tejasvi has arrived today for campaigning for its party candidate in Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation. Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation, or GHMC, is going for poll on December 1st, December 4, when the result will out, and this time BJP is putting all out its effort, all of its efforts. Top party leadership are on ground. Senior party leader Bhupendra Yadav, he is camping here in Hyderabad. Apart from Bhupendra Yadav, MOS Home and Kishan Reddy, he is campaigning for the party. Apart from Kishan Reddy, several star campaigners like Tejasvi Surya, he has arrived. He is campaigning for party. What is more interesting is that this is a municipal election, but BJP's campaign and the way BJP is attacking TRS and MIM and their friendship, it has turned this municipal election into a high decibel election campaign. It looks like that state is going for poll. But remember, it's just a municipal election. Today, while addressing a massive gathering here in Secunderabad parliamentary constituency, Tejasvi Surya, he targeted Asaduddin Owaisi as well as TRS government. He targeted the Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao and his family. He alleged that TRS rule is just a rule rule of a family. It's not a rule of people, but a family rule here. On the very other hand, he in fact made a very controversial statement, and he called Asaduddin Owaisi, who is Hyderabad MP, who was elected by the people of Hyderabad in last 2019 parliamentary election. He called him a jinnah. And he also said that voting for Owaisi is in fact voting for Pakistan. Not only Tejasvi compared Asaduddin Owaisi with Jinnah,
Yes,
but he
absolutely.
also
Ashish breaking that story here on India Today, joining us for the very latest now ahead.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.